electric train. It runs on electricity and is known for being clean, quiet, and efficient. Electric trains are widely used in cities and countries aiming for eco-friendly transportation. Passenger train. It carries people from one place to another, offering comfortable seats, dining cars, and scenic journeys across cities and countryside. The bullet train, famous in Japan and other modern nations. It travels at very high speeds with a smooth, quiet ride that shortens long distances dramatically. Thomas train. Inspired by the beloved children's character, Thomas the Tank Engine, this train often appears in amusement parks and themed attractions for kids. Tram. It operates on city streets and rails, helping passengers travel short urban distances efficiently and affordably. Freight train. It transports heavy goods, raw materials, and industrial products across long distances, often consisting of many cargo cars. High-speed train. It combines advanced technology with aerodynamics to achieve top speeds over 300 kilometers h, connecting major cities rapidly. The subway train. Running underground, it helps millions of people commute quickly through busy metropolitan areas every day. Double stack train. It carries 2 layers of containers, maximizing freight efficiency and reducing the number of trips needed for cargo transport. Monorail train. It travels on single rail elevated above the ground, often found in airports and theme parks for modern, space-saving transport. Maglev train. Using magnetic levitation, it floats above the tracks, creating an ultra-smooth and incredibly fast ride without friction. Intercity train. It links different cities, providing comfortable and reliable service for business and leisure travelers. Snow plow train. Equipped with large blades, it clears snow from tracks to keep railway lines safe during harsh winter conditions. Mountain train. Built to handle steep slopes and curves, it offers breathtaking views of rugged mountain landscapes. Tanker train. It carries liquids such as oil, fuel, or chemicals in cylindrical tank cars across long distances. diesel train. Powered by a diesel engine, it is reliable in remote areas where electric lines are not available. Commuter train. Designed for daily travel between suburbs and cities, operates on fixed schedules during rush hours. Container train. It hauls large shipping containers between ports and inland terminals for efficient global trade. Metro train. Common in big cities, it provides rapid and frequent transportation within urban centers. Steam locomotive. A historic train powered by steam. It symbolizes the industrial age and is now mostly used for heritage tourism. Light rail. It's a modern, energy-efficient system that serves short urban routes with frequent stops. Double-decker train. It has 2 levels for passengers, increasing capacity without needing extra trains. Regional train. It connects towns and small cities within a specific region, providing essential public transportation for locals.